So you don't start eating until about 12 o'clock.
Yep.
When do you stop eating?
I stop, so I try to eat with the sun. Like, it's called circadian rhythm.
Okay.
So as the sun starts to go down, that's when I stop eating.
Okay.
And that's really important because it takes about 4 hours for your food to digest. Anyway.
Yeah.
The sun is going down now around about 7 o'clock.
Yep.
Okay, so 4 hours later, it's what, 11 o'clock?
Right.
Okay, so most people are going to sleep before 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
So you want to give your body the opportunity to digest the food before you lay down, because now you're going against gravity. Your body's horizontal. Make sense?
Makes sense.
And so as a result, now, if you eat before the sun goes down, now your body has digested the food. Most people are having unrestful sleep because instead of them resting, their body is digesting.
Ooh.
And digestion takes the most energy of any system in our body. That's why when you eat a lot for Thanksgiving, it literally puts you out. It makes you comatose.
Absolutely.
Because your body is saying, all right, go to sleep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mix this all up, and then when you wake up, what happens? You gotta urinate, you gotta have a bowel movement, because
Yes.
your body's been working. This is why so many people don't sleep well, because they're eating so late.